Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to install Cinema HD on your Google TV step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Google TV and search for Downloader by AFTV News and install it. Once installed, go to the settings and click Device Preferences and select Security and Restrictions. Here, enable the Install Unknown Apps for Downloader app. This allows the APK installation. Now open the Downloader app and enter the official Cinema HD APK download link from its official website. Make sure that you are using a trusted source. Now download the APK file and click Install. And after installation, choose Done and delete the APK file to save the storage space. And return to your home screen, and now you'll see the Cinema HD ready to open. When launching it for the first time, allow the necessary permissions for the smooth performance. And that's it. The Cinema HD is now installed on your Google TV. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.